So when we move to Paso Doble, what is important for you? So for you, it's number one for you, remember, creating and keeping the shape. What does it mean? So put your hands here on your thighs, upper side, and now stretch. Imagine like you have wrinkles on the pockets. You stretch them. Yes. Very good. So this you create a shape through the lower body, chest slightly in, but it's elevated, but slightly in. Not completely dropped, slightly in. With a lot of hips forward, and arms very often will go behind the body, which is very unusual for other dances. Now do the same on the other leg. And now change your weight from left to right, but keep the shape. So you're keeping the shape. So that's your will be number one. So in a way, if you go from the side, it's like you're almost drawing a circle. Whether in other dances, you would go really much more flat. And here you're going like through the front because you always want to maintain the shape. Got it? So do this exercise. So when you change weight from foot to foot, excellent. Now we have to maintain shape when, for example, we're closing legs. So you see in Paso Doble, if you close the legs, so you have to increase. So almost like under your bum, you're going to press. And now, for example, you want to point your foot. You want to maintain the shape, yes? You want to step, you want to maintain shape. Now you want to pivot, do footwork turning. So you want to maintain the shape. Now you go, for example, go walk, 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 walk. You want to maintain the shape. So how to do it? It's not very easy. So when you just stand, you can still do it. But when you move, not easy. So this is the secret. This is what Paso Doble is different from other dances. Is in Paso Doble, you're going to use this movement, feet pushing movement into your bum to move. Because in other dances, you will use more rotation of the thigh and you will use your spine to drift than you, for example, stepping, you have rumba walk or you have a samba walk. But in this dance, you're going to use what? Your feet. Why? Because you create that shape, and if you use your feet to push from, you see, it's much easier to maintain shape. And remember, that's your will be goal, to maintain the shape. So now, knowing the secret that using your feet will help you maintain shape, try to collect your leg under. Now use, at this point, your right leg, standing like, heel, 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 to step forward. Now pivot, 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 pivot. Now go two walks. So push from your left foot. Push and push to maintain. And now let's say you do a change and change. So it's not the change, it's maintaining the flatness and the shape in it. Or let's say you're going to have a cross side. You see, you want to maintain that shape behind you. Cross side. So it's a lot of foot pushing into your bum. So maintain that stillness on top with the beautiful shape, and same time lots of movement, and always that arm on the back is important to check how much space you created. Okay, so this will be number one goal for us in Paso Doble. Let's try. So creating and keeping the shape. Let's see what we can do. So you go 5, 6. Yeah, so we do it different, yeah?
Yeah.
This one.
Or
1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 7, and 1. Which one you like better?
I think this will be doing our base here, right? This right? I like this one. Okay, we're doing that.
Was it? No, that is both open.
Okay.
Those are both open.
That's fine. We do this. You're right.
It's too open, yeah. But like this one, when you do competition, it's a little bit, when they play music later, you don't have to for 3 hours. But then let's say they don't play, you stay here. They stay play, maybe you late, you have still 8 counts to build up. Yeah. And make sure you always mirror him or shadow or copy. Okay, so let's try that. Creating a shape, copying each other. 5 and a 6 and a 7, 8 and 1, 2, use your feet, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, slow, slow. And here she needs to add steps. Remember we had the extra beat. So you can do like this. You can do slow, slow, and then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Maybe 4 fast you can add. You can do slow, slow hips, and then walk to him. There will be 4 beats in music. You'll hear 2, 2, and walk to him. Go walk, 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 and 1, 2, 3, 4. But maintain shape and create. You see, you cannot be just straight. You have to be slightly Paso-like. Right. Try again. Oh, he's genius after me. Yes, you want to have a little bit this. You see? Almost. You see that? That. A little bubble. A little bit, okay? Not like a samba, but it's a little settled breathings. Yeah. Understand? A little bit, like I just did. And now when you did here, ta, 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 you can go something. No, it's not. This is a dance of stillness. No. Whoa, shiki, shiki. You have that. So yeah. Not this way. In and only one time. Yeah, watch. Here, shiki, shiki, shiki. Whoop to him, and then go left, right, left, right, or right, left, probably right. Yeah, yeah. Before leg could be more body before leg. Yeah, go with this. But as a breathing. Yeah, like a rainbow style. You like rainbows? You look like a rainbow person. Okay, try the music, beautiful people. Get ready, music. Better. Increase. Body there. Use your feet. Mm. Yeah, maybe I hold you too long. Yeah, but idea is okay. Idea was good.